It is with great honor and privilege to represent our family in this very momentous occasion, the celebration of the retirement of my dear Sister Sally. As the eldest sister in the family, my heart is overwhelmed with joy upon your seeing the many faces, familiar faces, who gave their time and love for this special day of my dear sister, an amazing sister, Sally. We have heard the rewind stories in her educational career. I'm so much happy to hear all the things that you have observed from her. Sabi nga sa akin kanina ni IPM representative, Pastor Nangandong, mas mabuti nang marinig ngayon ni Ma'am Sally ang sasabihin sa kanya kaysa necrological rights. Today, my adding Sally, as always, sabi kong sinasabi, pag nag-i-speech ako mula nung councilor ako, vice mayor, PTCA Federation of President of Cordon for almost 18 years, ni-adding ko nga Sally, nga napinpintas niyang siya. Truly, she is beautiful. But when I said that, nga mading siya municipal official, iso nga pareho talaan. No napintas ka in and out, kanyak napintas ak inside. Joke lang tajay kanya na. Well, Sally love changes. You know, when she was still young, at the age, when she was in grade 1, her registered name is Araceli Hagto. Pero nang nag-enroll siya, she changed it to Sally. I don't know her reasons. So from there, we call her Sally, and all her school records and documents are now in the name of Sally Hagto. Now Florentine, for she is married with our handsome brother-in-law, Norin. Wow, ano? Sally is the 6th child in our family. We are all 8 siblings. The eldest is of course yours truly, a graduate of BSMT, a registered medical technologist, Master of Science and Public Health, and also a Master in Development and Governance. The second in the family is my brother, Engineer Jody M. Hagto. He is a civil and electrical engineer. We have, please stand for recognition, my dear brother. My third sister, the third in the family is my sister, Virginia Hagto M. Bernate. This is Deb. She is the CPA and the proprietress of Precious Grains. My the fourth in the family is Rudy Hagto, an automatic diesel mechanic. The fifth is now in heaven, Sunny Hagto, but he has his children who are also in the Department of Education, Zabeth and Marie Chris. The sixth in the family is Sally Hagto Florentine, a teacher and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in chemistry at Far Eastern University, Manila. The seventh is now also in heaven. He Noli Hagto, a Juris Doctor, and our youngest, siya na lang yata ang hindi senior citizen, Dr. Ibna Hagto Lasado, an anesthesiologist. Sabi kasi ng aming mga magulang noon, when we were young, you should dream to study harder, finish a career, and work so that even we are not here in this world, you will be stable in your life. Hindi na kayo magiging mahirap na gaya namin. Kasi ang aming tatay ay grade 1 lang ang natapos niya at farmer. Ang aking nanay ay grade 4 at siya ay meat vendor and pottery maker. Hindi na kayo maghihirap, sabi sa amin. Na gaya namin na under the sun ay nahihirapan. So, lahat kaming magkakapatid ay nag-aral at nandito man ang ating mga magulang ngayon, siguro napakasaya nila dahil ang kanilang advices sa amin at encouragement ay natupad. Sally, first, siya ay nagtrabaho sa Quirino Province, hindi dito sa Isabela, bilang isang guro. At minsan, she met an accident. Siya ay buntis noon. Siya ay nadala sa Habonillo Hospital at na-DNC. Binigyan ng anesthesia. At alam niyo ba, habang under her subconscious mind, subconscious state, siya ay nagle-lecture sa kanyang mga estudyante. So sabi namin, maski tulog pala si Sally, ay teacher ang kanyang, o edukasyon ang kanyang palaging sinasabi. There are so many trials and challenges in her life, as we have known from Sir while ago, kay Sir Cadiz, but with many people around her who is supporting her, especially her family. Sally is now the principal of Cagasat National High School. Kikita ko nga kasi nakasama ko siya nung ako ay Federation President ng Municipality of Cordon. Very proud ako as the eldest sister kasi lahat ng pinupuntahan ko yatang school, sabi nila, meron siyang nagawang mabuti. Kaya kung nakikita ko ang mga pinatanim niyang mga punong kahoy sa Doña Josefa, sa Jadi Region High School, siguro mayroon din dito, sabi ko, that Nara tree, na sabi ko nga kung minsan noon sa kanya, dapat may maitatanim na nara sa isang eskwelahan kasi ang alam na ng mga bata na national tree ay hindi nara kundi mahogany. Kaya thank you Sally at inumpisahan mo ang magpatanim ng nara sa iba't ibang eskwelahan. Makikita natin every leader has their own legacy. Lahat may nagagawa at nagpapasalamat ako sa ating mga congressman, sa ating DepEd family dahil siya ay may initiative na humingi ng school buildings na sabi siguro maski sa pagtanda niya ay masasabi niya yung building na yan ay naipatayo noong ako ay naging principal. Sa maraming estudyante na nag-under sa kanya, marami nang naging professional, marami nang naging barangay or municipal officials, marami nang department heads. Yung mga yon ay dahil may isang teacher na naging role model sa kanilang buhay at sa iyo. Maraming salamat, Ading Sally. I cannot forget your WATS project, giving certificates to all guests who come on time. Truly, time is gold. Minsan nga nagtaka ako, tinawag si Councilor Aison Villador during one of her programs in Cagasat High School. At sabi niya, may award siya dahil si SB Aison, siya ang pinakamaagang konsihal na dumating sa program ng Cagasat, at sabi niya, lahat ng pumupunta on time ay binibigyan ng Cagasat High School ng certificates. Congratulations, Sally, for your initiative. Congratulations on your graduation day in the Department of Education, Adu. We thank the Lord for giving you more blessings. Hindi ko makakalimutan na ang pinagdaanan mo hindi lang trials o challenges sa mga schools, kundi sa iyong kalusugan. Sally is a cancer survivor. Nagkaroon siya ng maraming chemotherapy and radiotherapy session. Siya ay naoperahan din ng gallbladder stone successfully. Thank you also for my sister Ibna, who is the anesthesiologist, and of course, my son, Dr. Regelson Mariano, who is a surgeon. At nandito ang ating Ading Sally. Maybe you have then more missions in life in the Department of Education, so you have survived all those challenges in life. As you move to the new chapter of your life, Ading, you have now all the time. You can sleep anytime that you want. You can play with your cell phone, read novels, at alam ko, gustong-gusto mo magbasa ng Biblia. You have now more time with your family to go abroad or to travel in the Philippines with Noreen. I know your children are all now professionals. Alexander is a BSHRM graduate. Julius is a Juris Doctor. We have also Attorney Rosalie Santa, and also the youngest daughter as a nurse who is now working in the United States. Alam ko, pwede ka nilang i-sponsor. Pero alam ko rin na mas marami ka pa rin pera kaysa kanila. Enjoy your life. We will be having more siblings bonding. Hindi ka na nag-aapura na may appointment o may meeting pa with the DepEd. We can go to watch movies. Minsan naalala ko nga yung pinanood natin, Made in the Philippines. Hindi ko pa napapanood yung rewind. Kaya siguro kung meron pa yung rewind, pwede na natin panoorin. So, Made in Malacanang. So, again, to the Cagasat family, to the PTCA officials, the Alumni Association, and the barangay officials, thank you for taking care of my Ading Sally. You will always be remembered. Thank you for making this beautiful decoration. Alam ko nagpuyat kayo, Joel, and all the teachers of this school. Thank you very, very much. At sa lahat ng nagpunta ngayon, in behalf of the Hagto Mariano Florentine Clan, maraming salamat po Mabuhay tayong lahat, mabuhay ang Kagasat, mabuhay ang DepEd, and mabuhay ang Cordon.